Do you need cuddles?
For love. He was dating?
Right now?
He wouldn't tell us too much. He had told us.